Feet, the body's silent storytellers. Our feet, often overlooked, bear the brunt of our daily lives. We walk, run, and stand on them, subjecting them to constant pressure and strain. But did you know that your feet can also provide valuable insights into your overall health? They can act as a window, revealing clues about potential health issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. By paying attention to changes in our feet, we can take proactive steps towards better health. Just like a car's dashboard lights up to signal a problem, our feet can send signals too. These signals can manifest as changes in color, texture, temperature, or even the nails. While not every foot issue indicates a serious health problem, recognizing these signs early and seeking professional help is crucial. Early detection often leads to timely intervention and better health outcomes. Throughout this essay, we'll delve into the fascinating world of foot diagnosis. We'll explore how different foot conditions can be indicative of various health issues, empowering you to become more aware of your body's signals. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding what your feet are trying to tell you can be the first step towards a healthier you. Swollen feet, often dismissed as a consequence of a long day, can sometimes be a red flag for underlying health conditions. Persistent swelling warrants attention as it can be a sign of various health issues. Swelling in the feet, known as peripheral edema, can indicate fluid retention. Kidney issues can cause fluid to accumulate in the feet. Heart failure can also lead to swollen feet due to blood backup. Liver problems can manifest as swollen feet due to decreased albumin production. While the phrase cold feet is often used to describe hesitation or nervousness, experiencing constantly cold feet can be a literal symptom of underlying health issues. Our feet, being furthest from the heart, are more susceptible to changes in blood circulation. Therefore, cold feet can be an early warning sign of poor circulation. One condition that can cause cold feet is peripheral artery disease, or PAD. PAD occurs when there is a narrowing or blockage of the arteries in the legs and feet, restricting blood flow to these areas. This reduced blood flow can lead to a sensation of coldness, numbness, or tingling in the feet. Another potential culprit behind cold feet is hypothyroidism, a condition where the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone plays a vital role in regulating metabolism and body temperature. When levels are low, it can lead to a slower metabolism and a lower body temperature, resulting in cold extremities. While cold feet alone may not always indicate a serious problem, it's essential to pay attention to other accompanying symptoms. If you experience persistent coldness in your feet, along with pain, discoloration, or sores, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying conditions. Burning feet, a sensation often described as tingling, prickling, or even feeling like your feet are on fire, can be more than just discomfort. This burning sensation can be a sign of nerve damage, a condition known as peripheral neuropathy. Peripheral neuropathy is a common complication of diabetes, affecting the nerves in the extremities, particularly the feet. When blood sugar levels remain high for prolonged periods, it can damage the small blood vessels that supply nutrients and oxygen to the nerves. This damage disrupts the nerve's ability to transmit signals properly, leading to sensations of burning, tingling, or numbness. Peripheral neuropathy is a serious complication of diabetes, and if left untreated, it can lead to further complications, such as foot ulcers and infections. Therefore, it's crucial to manage blood sugar levels effectively through lifestyle modifications and medication as prescribed by a healthcare professional. If you experience burning feet, it's important not to ignore this symptom. Consult a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause and receive appropriate treatment. Early detection and management of peripheral neuropathy are crucial for preventing further complications and maintaining foot health. Section 5. Skin deep, foot color and texture as health indicators. Our skin is the largest organ of our body, acting as a protective barrier. It reflects changes in our inner health. Foot skin changes can reveal overall well-being. Discoloration is a noticeable change. A bluish tint or cyanosis indicates poor circulation. Redness and warmth suggest inflammation or infection. Changes in texture can signal health issues. Dry, cracked skin may indicate dehydration or fungal infection. Section 6. Toenails talking. What your nails reveal about your health. Just like the skin on our feet, our toenails can also provide valuable insights into our overall health. Changes in toenail color, thickness, or texture can be indicative of underlying medical conditions, ranging from fungal infections to systemic diseases. Paying attention to these subtle clues can help us detect potential health issues early on. One of the most common toenail abnormalities is a fungal infection, known as onychomycosis. Fungal infections thrive in warm, moist environments, making toenails an ideal breeding ground. They can cause the nails to become thickened, discolored, yellow, brown, or white, and brittle, often accompanied by an unpleasant odor. Thickened toenails can also be a sign of psoriasis, a chronic autoimmune disease that affects the skin, nails, and joints. In psoriasis, the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy cells, causing rapid skin cell growth and resulting in thickened, pitted, or discolored nails. Another condition that can affect toenail appearance is anemia, a condition characterized by a deficiency of red blood cells or hemoglobin in the blood. Hemoglobin is responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body, and when levels are low, it can lead to pale skin and brittle spoon-shaped nails. Section 7. Foot ulcers. A serious complication, especially for diabetics. Foot ulcers, open sores that develop on the feet, are a serious complication that can arise from various underlying health conditions, particularly diabetes. For individuals with diabetes, foot ulcers can have severe consequences, potentially leading to infections, amputations, and even life-threatening complications. Diabetes can damage nerves in the feet, a condition known as peripheral neuropathy, which reduces sensation and makes it difficult to feel pain or discomfort. As a result, minor cuts, blisters, or pressure points may go unnoticed and develop into ulcers. Furthermore, diabetes can also impair blood circulation to the feet, making it harder for wounds to heal. Reduced blood flow deprives the tissues of essential nutrients and oxygen, hindering the body's natural healing process and increasing the risk of infection. Foot ulcers in individuals with diabetes require prompt medical attention to prevent complications. Treatment typically involves cleaning the wound, removing dead tissue, applying appropriate dressings, and managing blood sugar levels effectively. Section 8. Prioritizing foot health, regular checks, and ethical considerations. Given the crucial role our feet play in our mobility and overall well-being, prioritizing foot health is paramount. Regular foot checks, both at home and with a healthcare professional, are essential for early detection and prevention of potential problems. Performing self-checks at home is a simple yet effective way to monitor foot health. Take a few minutes each week to examine your feet for any cuts, blisters, sores, redness, swelling, or changes in color or texture. If you notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. For individuals with diabetes or other conditions that increase the risk of foot problems, regular visits to a podiatrist, a foot specialist, are crucial. Podiatrists can provide comprehensive foot examinations, diagnose and treat foot conditions, and offer personalized advice on foot care. However, when discussing foot health, it's essential to approach the topic responsibly and ethically. Avoid making unsubstantiated claims or promoting specific treatments without scientific evidence. Instead, focus on providing accurate information, empowering individuals to make informed decisions about their health in consultation with qualified healthcare professionals. Section 9. Stepping towards better health. Listening to your feet. Our feet, often overlooked and underappreciated, serve as remarkable indicators of our overall health. By paying attention to the subtle clues they provide, we can gain valuable insights into our well-being and take proactive steps towards a healthier life. From swollen feet signaling potential heart, kidney, or liver problems, to cold feet indicating poor circulation or hypothyroidism, each symptom can unravel a deeper health narrative. Burning feet, skin discolorations, toenail abnormalities, and foot ulcers all paint a picture of our internal health, urging us to listen and take action. Remember, regular foot checks, both at home and with a healthcare professional, are paramount for early detection and prevention of potential problems. By incorporating simple foot care practices into our daily routines, we can maintain healthy feet and prevent complications. As we've explored throughout this essay, our feet are not merely tools for mobility, but intricate messengers of our health. By listening to their silent language, understanding their signals, and seeking professional guidance when needed, we can embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life, one step at a time.